I hope you saw my previous video where it was about how to make a paper boat. And today we're gonna make a piano. So you have to start with making a house. And how you make a house is, I'm gonna do both of them in one video. So let's begin. You need the only thing you need is a square piece of paper, and the first thing you have to do is fold it in half. You'll get this, and then fold it in half again, and then you unfold that fold, so you'll get this, and then you fold these two thingies over here like this, and then you'll get that. And then the last step, it's pretty, now these are a few last steps, so this might be a little complicated, but then you put your finger inside over here, and look, I'll do it again. So you put your finger inside over here and then fold it like that. It might be too complicated, but just try it out. And then you do it for both, and then you get a house. So now you have the house. So now what you do, because you have a house, is so you have a house, so you fold these two things, you fold them up, so you'll get this, and then you fold a teeny tiny part down, so you'll get this, and then you just fold these two sides, these two, this and the other one inside. Then you just open it, and you also push this down, and then you get a beautiful piano. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you for watching.